Hello Fly Babies, it's me FlyLady Kat, and I have a special announcement. I am so excited and delighted to say that one of my 3 personal mentees will be graduating the end of June, and I will have a slot open for a new person to mentor. So what I've decided to do is make this video, and you will have until Sunday, June 24th to put your name below if you're interested, but don't put your name below until you listen, because it might not be something that's a good fit for you. So let me talk to you about it. The first thing is it's $50 a month, and that will be drafted from your credit card or debit card once you sign up with FlyLadyPremium.com. Once you do that and you pick me as your mentor, then I will be mentoring you every single week for 30 minutes a week, one 30-minute slot. The slot that I have available is on a Wednesday morning. It's 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. That will be 9:30 Central, 8:30 Mountain, 7:30 Pacific. So, and if you live in Alaska, it could be 6:30 a.m. So it's one of those times for you. I even can mentor people in other parts of the world, but it's going to be, it might not be at a good time for you, and that is the time slot that I have available. So those 2 things are very important. The time is going to be every Wednesday at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The cost is $50. If that is something that you would like to do and that fits with your circumstances, then put your name below, and on Monday, the 25th, the cutoff is the 24th, so you have all the way till midnight on the 24th. I will go live on Monday the 25th, and we'll pull the name, and that will be my new mentee. So I'm really excited about meeting you. I can't wait to see who's interested. Please put your names below, and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget, you are beautiful. Good luck.